Marilza Barbosa has been walking the streets of Rio de Janeiro for the past 3 decades. She works for the NGO Citizenship Action, distributing food for the needy. This alleyway is not the place where one would expect to find hunger. But since 2014, the number of hungry in Brazil has doubled, from 9 million to 19 million people. That's the equivalent of the entire population of Chile or Romania. Marilza tells us that behind every door, she finds a desperate family. Cynthia Lisette lost her job during the pandemic. In November, the government suspended the emergency aid. She doesn't know how she'll feed her 4 children, and the 5th one she's expecting. The family receives a $65 monthly check from the government's social program Bolsa Família.
But it's worth nothing. Inflation this year is more than 10%, and food prices have tripled.
Many Brazilians living in poor neighborhoods like this one now depend solely on donations to put food on the table. But families like Karina's face an additional problem. They don't even have the means to cook it. 1/3 of what Karina receives from the government's social program pays for the gas. None of her neighbors can afford using a regular oven. They've resorted to bricks and alcohol to cook their meals.
But the worst days are the ones towards the end of the month, when you have nothing to cook and you must tell your children to go to bed early on an empty stomach because sleep will make the hunger go away.
Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro has promised a new social program, Brazil Aid, substituting the old one. But there's no money to finance it unless Congress approves a constitutional amendment permitting the government to pass the spending cap. Critics say Bolsonaro is using hunger as a weapon to get hold of money during an electoral year.
What's happening is that Bolsonaro is using hunger as a tool to expand his money so he can make a better campaign in the next year. So he is extinguishing Bolsa Família. That is a program that is proven worldwide that is one of the best programs of money transferring for the poor. And he's creating a new program with no rules. We don't know how the program is going to work. There's no money for it. There's no rules defined on how it's going to work exactly.
While the politicians bicker, millions of Brazilian families have no food on the table. Monica Yanaki of Al Jazeera, Rio de Janeiro.